Hi there, fellow food lovers. Welcome to Kitchen Savo with Blessing. Today is April 17, 2024. This is your host, Blessing. Today, we'll be talking about kitchen hacks for busy home cooks. The last time we talked about making preparation for busy homes. Hopefully, this will take it a step further to making cooking in your home a pleasant one. So let's face it, cooking can be time consuming and overwhelming, especially when you have a million other things on your plate. But with a few simple hacks, we can make cooking easier, faster, more enjoyable. So let's dive in. Are you getting stuck? We all know the feeling of being stuck in the kitchen rut, right? We get tired of making the same old recipes, and we don't have the time or energy to try new things. But what if I told you there are ways to shake up things and make cooking more efficient? Let's enter the kitchen hacks. First of all, meal prep like a pro. Hack number 1. Meal prep is a game changer for busy home cooks. By preparing ingredients and cooking meals in advance, we can save time, reduce stress, and ensure healthy eating. When you take time to plan, you'll be surprised what you can make and also reduce cost. Try setting aside one day a week to prep meals for the next few days. You can chop up veggies, cook proteins, and assemble salads or meal prep containers. The second hack will be the one-pot wonders. One-pot meals are a busy home's cook favorite go-to. They are easy to make, require minimal cleanup, and can be customized to suit any taste or dietary needs. Try making one-pot pasta dishes, stir-fries, or skillet meals. Third hack. Slow cooker magic. Slow cookers are a busy cook secret weapon. Trust me. They are perfect for cooking meals while you are away, and they are so easy to use. Try making a slow cooker chili, stews, or roast. Another hack that we underestimate to help make cooking easy in our home is pantry organization. A well-organized pantry is a busy home cook dream come true. Trust me. It saves time, reduces stress, and makes cooking easy. Try using baskets, bins, and labels to keep your pantry organized and tidy. When you use this, you'll be surprised how much time you're going to save. And when you have an organized pantry, you'll make more visits to that pantry to get suggestions. As you open up your pantry, you see things that are there that you quickly whip up for your family. Now, there you have it, folks. 4 kitchen hacks to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a few simple hacks, we can make cooking a breeze. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for more cooking tips and tricks. Well, we're going to continue with elevating weekend or weeknight dinners with global flavors. So, my fellow food lovers, now that we have covered some kitchen hacks to make cooking easier, let's talk about how to make our food more exciting with global flavors. Who says weeknight dinners have to be boring? We all know the feeling of getting stuck in the kitchen. We make the same old recipes over and over again. We don't have the time or energy to try new things. But what if I told you there are ways to shake things up and make cooking more exciting? Let's enter some global flavors. The first flavor we're going to talk about today is the Korean barbecue beef tacos. This dish is a fusion of Korean and Mexican flavors, and it is easy to make. First, marinate your beef in a Korean-inspired sauce. Cook it in a skillet and serve it in taco with kimchi, slaw, and cilantro. While you put that together, another flavor that we'll be introducing is the Indian butter chicken with naan. This dish is a classic Indian recipe with a rich, creamy sauce and tender chicken. Serve it with naan bread and a side of basmati rice for a flavorful and satisfying meal. The third meal that we'll be introducing or suggesting is a Mexican street corn with cochinita cheese. Pardon my pronunciation of that. This dish is a summer favorite, and it's so easy to make. Grill corn on the cob, slather it with a mayonnaise, put according to your taste, cheese and chili powder, and serve it as a side dish or a snack. The fourth flavor will be the Japanese teriyaki chicken with stir-fry flavors and veggies. This is a classic Japanese dish. Yeah, so introducing into the weeknight dinners with one pot wonders. One pot wonders like chicken fajitas. This classic Tex-Mex dish is easy to make, flavorful, and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Simply saute chicken, peppers, onions, and spices in one pot. Serve with tortillas and enjoy. Another one pot wonder would be creamy tomato pasta. This comforting pasta dish is easy to make, creamy and perfect for a cozy weeknight dinner. Simply saute garlic, onions, and spices in one pot. Add pasta, tomato sauce, and cream, and enjoy. Wonder number 3, chicken and rice. I love this. This classic comfort food is easy to make also. It's flavorful and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Simply saute chicken, onions, and spices in one pot. Add rice and chicken broth and enjoy. After reviewing all this, I would also like to I'd like to talk about 5 essential kitchen gadgets for home cooks that would help your cooking very easy. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these gadgets will make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. The first gadget we'll be looking at is the immersion blender. This handheld blender is a game changer for soups, sauce, and more. It is easy to use, clean, and store, and it's easy, and it has a must-have. It's a must-have in your home to help any home cook. The second gadget is silicone spatulas. These flexible, heat-resistant spatulas are perfect for scraping the insides of pots and pans, flipping foods, and serving. It's also a must-have in your kitchen. It helps to prevent scratches on your plates or your pots, and easy to manipulate. The next gadget that we'll be talking about is the microplane grater. This tiny grater is perfect for grating cheese, ginger, garlic, and more. It is easy to use, easy to clean and store, and it's a must-have for any home cook. Also important to have in your home is gadget number 4, the instant read thermometer. This thermometer is perfect for ensuring your meat, poultry, and fish are cooked to perfection. It's easy to use, accurate, and is also a must-have in our kitchen. I think among all, for food safety, it's important to have this, so that way your food and your poultries or your meat cook to recommended standard to prevent sickness or getting ill, The next gadget is one that I use a lot, is a stand mixer. This powerful mixer is perfect for baking, whipping cream, and more. It's a must-have for any serious home bakers. So if you're doing things like cookies, cakes, bread, it's important that you have this because it will help you cut down time and cut down stress on actually doing those things with your hand or kneading your bread with your hand. This would help cut down time and make your baking process faster. Trust me, it comes in very, very handy. So, here you have it, the top 5 essential kitchen gadgets every home cook needs. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With the right gadgets, you can make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Thanks again for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more kitchen tips and tricks. Looking forward to talking to you again. This is again Blessing from Kitchen Savo. Thanks.